What do you say there, folks? It's so hillbilly. We got a snowstorm. I don't know if you can see out there at all or not, but anyway, we're gonna cook a brisket. About 5:30 a.m. This is unusual for me to be out of bed on a day off this early, but it's a big one. I'll show it to you here in a little bit. Hang on. Trying to get the fire going. It's about 15 degrees out, probably. And it's got my old. I'm gonna try to do it on a little Weber kettle. Be my first brisket on a kettle, but here we go. All right, y'all. Oh, I can't even see. Ain't that pretty? I trimmed it up. I cut part of it off. It's an 18.5 pound brisket. 18.5 pounds. I tell you what, that's a big old dude for a little Weber kettle. I just put some foil under one side to kind of help protect it. I'm going to pull that out for a little bit. Maybe I don't even need that. Let's just let it sit there and roast a little. Good morning, y'all. Wow, what a beautiful day, huh? But I got a piece of oak land here. Just kind of kicking the edge of it up into the smoke, and I'll feed it in. There we go. Oh. Got it actually on at 6:30. There we go. Make sure it's on there. Anyway, yeah. So turn it around real slow. Yeah, anyway. Right on. Hey, Uncle B, you asked me to check out Uncle B. Cooking with Uncle B. He got a good channel. He's my buddy. He just done three briskets on his Pecos smoker. I'm just doing one on the little Weber kettle. I got my big smoker, but I just wanted to try it on this. You know, I've never done a brisket on it, so good day to experiment. All right, it's been almost 2 hours. Look at there. Hold on. I'm gonna go very easy here. Ow! Ow! God dang! That's our snacking piece. That dude's gonna burn up. What's gonna happen to that thing? I'm gonna there. You chunk it on top. Look at that. Oh yeah, man, this Weber kettle is so freaking awesome. It just okay. If you're looking, you ain't cooking, right? All right, shut that dude back off. Guys, I ain't gonna bring you back until it's about time to wrap this dude, and I ain't sure what I won't take it in and put it in the oven. It's warmed up to a grand total of 7, I guess. 7, 8 degrees out. Hey man, that's when we do our best work, right? 8:30 in the morning. Snowstorm, cold beer. Life is good. Life is good. It's been about 30 more minutes. I just wanted to show you. it's cold out. I tell you what, it's damn cold. Man, it's beautiful. I love this weather, and I hate it all on the same day. I love it if I can stay home. If I got to go to work in it, boy, it sucks. But you know how that is. Anyway, we'll check in later. All right. Look at that baby. It's been about, God have mercy, it's 2 or 3 in the afternoon. It's probably been 8 hours. I don't know. I got this little piece of carved off here. I don't know where I'm at temperature wise, and I don't care. I'm going to take the old 4-wheeler here. Sitting there. Guys, I'm going to get this thing off and in this pan. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm going to bring it in the oven. Because it's like 12 out. It's 12 degrees out. I do believe. Look at that beauty, though. I mean, I carved a little chunk off right there, maybe. Because it, oh my goodness, look at there. That looks delish. Hang on. Look at here. I got her off. Oh my God, that's so good. I want to leave this on here because I got a bunch of charcoal left. It's going to be our snacking piece. I'm going to wrap it in foil here in a minute. I'm going to put this in foil and just put it in the oven, guys. I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm sorry. I can't. I don't know if I got me in here or not, but I'm telling you what, it is a cold damn day. It's a cold day. There's old Hoagie. There's Miss Hoagie. I hope I'm getting her in there. There we go. She's gonna get some meat. Don't worry about it, y'all. I don't know if I got that in there, but I gave her a little taste. But yeah, we gonna get this off. And winter is almost over with. It's what? Yeah, we got 6 more weeks and it's gonna start warming up. All right, I'm gonna go put this in the oven and I'll be right back. Good to see y'all. Hang on. Points in the flat. Guys, I'm telling you, let me see. Let me see if I got, yeah. This is part of the flat. I can just, hang on a second. You seen this yet? Look at that, falling apart. Guys, I'm telling you. Hang on. I'm going to go back to this way. You don't need to look at my ugly ass eating. Look at this. That was I'm telling you what, you want some tender brisket? There's some tender brisket. Look at there. Mm. I'm telling you what. Mm, mm, mm. Is that a gross looking video to you? Well, good. Man, that's some good shit right there. Anyway, there's my video. Uncle B, brother. There you go. The piece is mine. You guys keep on smiling. Anyway, y'all keep on smiling. Stay warm. I'll catch y'all later. Keep on smiling. It ain't that hard. Bye-bye.